What if I told you that the luggage industry has been charging you $200 for an Underseat personal item bag that sits under your seat, while a handful of bags priced under $70 do the same job, fit the same sizers, and carry the same 5 days of clothes, and the only reason you haven't heard of them is because nobody pays influencers to talk about $40 luggage? Here are 7 cheap Underseat personal item bags that will transform how you fly. The people who actually know, the ones flying personal item only on Frontier and Spirit and saving over $200 a trip, have been quietly buying these bags, stuffing them to the brim, and walking past the gate agent without a second glance. The luggage brands making $300 Underseat bags. Away charges $295 for their Everywhere bag. Samsonite pushes similar territory. Would rather you never see this list. Here's what most people miss. The personal item is where the carry-on game has actually moved in 2026. Every budget carrier is deploying physical sizer boxes at the gate. Frontier and Spirit are both slapping a $100 penalty on anything that doesn't fit. And the travelers who figured this out years ago are laughing all the way to their destination. By the end of this list, you'll meet a bag that passed every sizer on every budget airline without question. And at number 1, a bag so absurdly capable for its price that it makes the premium competition look like a money laundering operation. One bag on this list weighs under 5 pounds and still gives you lockable zippers. Another holds 35 liters and opens a full 180 degrees for TSA. Hit that subscribe button, because every week we post videos that tear apart what the luggage industry is selling you and show you what the smartest travelers are actually buying. Ranked from wildly underrated to absolutely essential. Number 7, the Wandf 18 by 14 by 8 travel duffel. The no-nonsense fit guarantee that silences the gate agent. This bag costs between $25 and $40, and it is built to one spec that matters more than any other: the 18 by 14 by 8-inch personal item rule that American, Frontier, and most major carriers enforce. That is the dimension, the same dimension IATA's cabin baggage guidelines are built around. Not close to it, not approximately it. That is the bag. There is zero measuring anxiety at the gate because the Wandf was designed to the exact restriction, not reverse engineered from a carry-on and hoped for the best. Why does this matter? Because Frontier now charges $100 at the gate for a non-compliant bag. One bad measurement and your $25 savings turns into a $75 loss. The field results speak for themselves here. It adds a USB charging pass-through to power your phone from a battery inside, plus a wet pocket and a shoe compartment, features that bags costing 3 times as much treat as premium add-ons. This is for fee-conscious flyers who want a guaranteed fit at the lowest credible price on the market. Here's how to actually use it. Measure your bag packed, not empty. That is the biggest mistake travelers make, measuring an empty bag only to watch it bulge past the sizer once it is full of clothes and tech. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. Use packing cubes to compress soft goods into flat slabs. Wear your bulkiest jacket onto the plane, and this duffel becomes a legitimate 3-day trip bag. It gets overlooked because it is soft-sided and looks like a gym bag, and nobody brags about a $25 duffel on social media. But soft-sided bags compress slightly in sizers and fit awkward spaces better than rigid ones. That is not a flaw. That is an advantage. And if you have ever been hit with a gate fee, you probably already know exactly where this bag belongs in your rotation. Number 6, the Figestin 16-inch Underseat bag, the featherweight brawler that locks down your gear. At just 4.78 pounds, the Figestin is one of the lightest full-sized underseat options you can buy, and it runs between $50 and $65. That weight matters when every ounce you save on the bag is an ounce you can pack inside it. The construction is quilted polyester with PU leather accents, giving it a look that punches well above its price bracket. Think about that. Under 5 pounds with lockable zippers. Most bags in this category either give you security or give you lightweight. The Figestin gives you both. The testing backs this up. It handles the demands of occasional travel without pretending to be a road warrior bag. That honesty is rare. Compared to the Travelpro Maxlite 5 or the Lovevook models further up this list, the Figestin trades premium materials and deep brand heritage for unbeatable affordability. That is a trade-off, not a deficiency. Here's how to actually use it. Treat this as your secondary bag, your backup, the one you grab for a weekend trip where you do not need to impress anyone at baggage claim. If something happens to it, replacement is cheaper than repair, and that freedom changes how you travel. You stop babying your luggage and start actually using it. Zipper quality can vary across production runs, so give yours a full zip test before your first trip, and you will know exactly what you are working with. This bag gets overlooked because it does not have a legacy brand name stamped on it, and luggage reviewers skip straight to the $100 tier. But for a student, a backup traveler, or anyone who flies 4 times a year, it is probably the smartest $60 decision sitting in your cart right now. Number 5. The Wrangler 15-inch Underseat Spinner Carry-On, the budget tech mule that packed 5 days and charged your phone. The Wrangler runs between $40 and $60 and has been quietly converting skeptics for years. The shell is 1680 denier polyester. That denier number matters. Denier measures thread density. 1680 is the same abrasion-resistant spec that ballistic nylon is known for, the same rating used in military-grade duffel bags. It is not marketing language. It is a materials standard, just with a slightly shinier finish than the tactical gear it mirrors. It has 4-wheel spinner capability at a price where most bags give you 2 fixed wheels and call it a day. Why this one? Why does it beat the obvious alternative? Because it integrates a USB charging pass-through, a compression panel that doubles as a 13-inch laptop sleeve, and a front tablet pocket, all for roughly $40. Testers packed 5 days' worth of clothing inside this bag. 5 days. From a 15-inch underseat spinner. The numbers don't lie. Here's how to actually use it. Use the compression panel to flatten soft goods, slide your laptop in the sleeve, and keep your charging cable routed to the USB port on the exterior so you can top off your phone without opening the bag. The budget price does come with compromises. Reviewers have noted loose threads, a USB pass-through that can feel wobbly, and one tester found the buckle installed upside down. These are cosmetic issues on a bag that costs less than dinner for 2, not structural failures. It gets overlooked because the name Wrangler makes people think jeans, not luggage. Nobody expects the denim brand to build a tech-integrated spinner that fits under a seat. But weekend warriors and college students have been riding this bag hard, and that is exactly who it was built for. If you are the kind of traveler who would rather spend $40 on the bag and $200 on the destination, you probably already own one and just did not realize how good your instincts were. If you're starting to see the pattern, if you're realizing that the luggage industry has been hiding an entire tier of brilliant bags behind a wall of premium marketing, do me a favor, hit that like button. It helps this reach people who are doing their own product research instead of trusting whatever a brand paid someone to recommend. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you belong here. Number 4, the Bagsmart 16-inch underseat spinner. The silent roller with the lock nobody expected. The Bagsmart runs between $60 and $80, carries a 4.5-star rating from nearly 2,000 reviewers, and does something almost no bag at this price does. It gives you lockable zippers on both the main compartment and the laptop compartment. That is security you normally pay $150 for. Think about that. 2,000 people rated it, and the consensus landed at 4.5 stars. The reviews back this up. The 360-degree silent spinner wheels are the real headline here. Compared to the Wrangler and other models at this tier, the Bagsmart rolls smoother and quieter through terminals. It uses durable Taslon fabric, which holds up to the kind of scuffing and dragging that kills cheaper materials, and it includes a dedicated wet and dry pocket for separating toiletries or damp items from clean clothes. Here's how to actually use it. Lock both zippers before you hand the bag to anyone, whether it is a gate check situation or just sliding it under the seat where feet will bump it for 3 hours. The wet pocket is not decorative. Use it for a swimsuit coming back from the beach or a toiletry kit that might leak. This bag gets overlooked because Bagsmart does not advertise on billboards or sponsor travel influencers. Their entire strategy is building a better product and letting the review count do the talking. If you fly more than twice a year and you want spinner agility, lockable security, and smart storage in one package, this is probably already in your price range. You just haven't clicked buy yet. Number 3. The Lovevook Underseat Carry-On, the 7-compartment organizer with the giant tumbler pocket nobody else builds. Lovevook has been making bags since 2014, quietly building a reputation for blending functionality with fashion at prices that make the premium brands uncomfortable. This underseat carry-on runs between $45 and $70 and measures 15.7 by 13.3 by 8.2 inches, a footprint that fits under seats on American, Delta, United, Southwest, Hawaiian, and Alaska. 7 smart compartments. That is not marketing copy. That is the actual count. Laptop, tablet, water bottle, stationery, toiletries, clothes, quick access essentials. Every slot has a purpose, and none of them are filler pockets that look good in photos but hold nothing useful. The field results speak for themselves here. But here is the feature that separates this bag from everything else on this list. Lovevook engineered a giant tumbler holder pocket designed to fit 20 to 40-ounce tumblers. If you travel with a large water bottle or one of those oversized insulated cups, you know that most bags treat hydration as an afterthought. This one treats it as a design priority. That is a rare feature in standard underseat luggage. The telescopic handle is military grade with a 3-stage adjustable design, less than 5 degrees of wobble, and it endured over 4,000 shake tests, a standard that far exceeds industry requirements. Here's how to actually use it. Load the 7 compartments by category before you leave the house, packing cubes in the main compartment, tech in the laptop sleeve, and you will never rummage through a single zipper at the airport. The tumbler pocket faces outward, so your drink stays accessible and upright. It gets overlooked because the name Lovevook does not scream luggage heritage, and shoppers scroll right past it looking for a brand they recognize. But the travelers who stopped scrolling and actually read the specs have been using this bag as their primary personal item for years. And if you are the person who always has a 40-ounce tumbler and nowhere to put it, this was built for you. Number 2. The Travelpro Maxlite 5 Rolling Underseat Bag, the pilot-designed workhorse with the recycled sole. This is where the list crosses from budget discovery into heritage credibility. The Travelpro Maxlite 5 is priced at $99, and every dollar of that goes toward engineering that started with a 747 pilot named Captain Bob Plath, who created the Travelpro brand because he spent thousands of hours circling the globe and knew exactly what a bag needed to survive. The man invented the rollerboard. While Samsonite was selling status and Away was selling Instagram, Travelpro was solving an actual problem for people whose job was to fly. The Maxlite 5 underseat tote measures 11 by 16 by 8 inches, weighs just 1.6 pounds, and holds 28 liters with a water-resistant DuraGuard coating. 1.6 pounds. That is lighter than most hardcover books. The PowerScope light handle delivers one of the smoothest, wobble-free pulls in the 2-wheel category, a detail that flight crews and frequent travelers notice immediately and casual buyers never test for. Every pro who has used this handle knows it. The rear strap slides over any roller handle, so if you are also pulling a full-size carry-on, the Maxlite 5 piggybacks without slipping. The interior lining is made from recycled plastics, which matters if you care about what your gear is made of, and increasingly, travelers do. Here's how to actually use it. This is your frequent flyer primary. It is available in black midnight blue, slate green, dusty rose, and azure blue, so match it to your existing luggage set. Use the DuraGuard coating as your permission to set it down on wet airport floors without flinching. It gets overlooked at this price because travelers see $99 and assume they should just spend $50 more on a premium brand. But the people who designed this bag were not marketers. They were pilots. And pilots do not tolerate luggage that fails. If you fly more than 10 times a year, this bag is probably already on your radar, and everything above it on this list just gave you a reason to stop hesitating. Number 1. The Taygeer 35-liter travel backpack. The shape-shifting sizer slayer that passed every budget airline without question. This is the bag the luggage industry hopes you never find. The Taygeer runs between $40 and $55 and holds 35 liters, which is more capacity than some full-size carry-ons. It converts from backpack to handbag, so you are not locked into one carrying style. It has a dedicated shoe compartment, a USB charging port, and internal elastic compression straps that let you squeeze in extra clothing while keeping the profile slim enough for underseat storage. But the feature that earned it the number 1 spot is the 180-degree zipper opening. You lay the bag flat, unzip it fully, and everything is visible without rummaging. For TSA checks, this is not a convenience. This is a strategy. You move through the line faster than the person in front of you fumbling through a top loader. The testing backs this up. Testers ran this bag through Spirit, Frontier, and Southwest sizers, 3 different enforcement regimes, all with physical sizer boxes at the gate, and it passed every single one without question. Every single one. At a time when Frontier and Spirit both charge $100 for a non-compliant bag, that track record is not a feature. It is a financial shield. When you walk past the gate agent with a valet tag on someone else's oversized bag and yours slides under the seat without a second glance, you will understand exactly what that shield is worth. Here's how to actually use it. Pack it for a 3 to 5 day trip. Use packing cubes in the compression straps to lock down clothing into flat, stackable layers. Load electronics in the padded laptop section. Drop dirty shoes in the shoe compartment so they never touch clean clothes, and convert to handbag mode when you want a more polished look at your destination. This bag gets overlooked because it is a backpack, and most underseat lists are dominated by spinners and rolling bags. Travelers assume a backpack cannot compete in organization or capacity. The Taygeer holds 35 liters and opens like a suitcase. If you are flying budget airlines and paying for nothing but your seat, this is probably the single smartest bag purchase sitting in your search results right now. You just haven't pulled the trigger. If you made it all the way to the end, you just learned something most people never will. The best underseat bags are not hiding behind premium price tags. They are hiding behind names you have never heard, at prices the luggage industry prays you keep ignoring. Smash that like button if this changed how you think about personal item travel. Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you most. Team Taygeer? Team Lovevook? Team Bagsmart? I read every comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss a video. I'd love to have you on this journey with us. Remember, the best luggage is not in the premium section of the department store. It is in the overlooked corner of a search page, waiting for you to trust the specs over the brand name.